In this video, we're going to be showing you how you can buy calls and puts on the ThinkOrSwim platform. But again, we are going to make this as quick as possible, so to get straight into it. Again, for example, let's say we're looking at Nvidia. They've just had earnings, massive move to the upside. Let's say we want to play this short bias. How do we do that? We go over to the trade tab, we go over to the option chain, and again, make sure this is linked to your chart. If not, just put the ticker in here and then go to the expiration you want. For example, we could go 34 days out. And then let's say again we are bearish on this stock. We're currently sitting around $390, so we could buy an at the money call or an at the money put. Sorry, we could buy an out the money put, or we can buy an in the money put. So again, we can pick either one of these three, or again go further out either way. For example, let's say we're expecting a relatively big move. We can make these strikes, make it show more strikes by doing that. But let's say we expect to move to $350. What we can do is go and buy a 350 put. And again, you can see that's all you would really have to do. It would cost you $675 to buy it near enough at the market. And then you just click confirm and send. One other thing you can do though is if you do want to analyze the trade, you can go into you can right click, go to the analyze tab, and now you can see it shows you your defined risk, which in this case is $675. Again, if you are buying an option, whether that is a call or a put, your risk is always what you pay for it, so you can't lose more than that. But again, it can also show you your upside potential if it starts to go your way. For example, if it did push all the way down to $300 at or before expiration, you would be up 4,300. So that's how you do the puts. Now what we could do, and again, for example, we'll just look at a different company, let's say PayPal, and again, let's say now we want to look at the calls. What we could do is again go out the same. Again, maybe we think there's going to be a bounce sooner in PayPal. We could go maybe 6 days out. The options are going to be cheaper. We can go now onto the left side because this is the calls, and then we can say we want to buy an at the money $60 call. And where you can always find at the money, in the money, and out the money, we'll go into a full video on that soon. But what you can basically see is the difference between the blues, that is considered at the money because it's the closest strike to the current value. Now if you go out the money, that's going to be the black ones, and then in the monies are going to be the blues, just so you know. But let's say we're buying it at the money, so a $60 call on PayPal. All you would do is again left click on that, and then again confirm and send if you want to buy that right away. Or again, you can always affect how much you pay for it. Let's say you want to pay no more than $110. You put that limit there, confirm and send. And again, like we said, if you want to analyze the trade to see your max risk and reward, you can see obviously if you're only paying $110 for it, that's your limit order. Your max risk is always going to be $110. And if it goes to the upside, again, if it pushed up to $70, let's say, your call would be up $890. So that is how you buy both a call and a put on the ThinkOrSwim platform. If that helped, why not drop a like and subscribe, and check out this video here.